Hey there and welcome. So you've definitely seen them around, right? In puddings, smoothies, sprinkled on pretty much everything. Chia seeds are absolutely everywhere these days. But what's the real story behind these tiny little seeds? Well, let's dive in and find out.
And that's really the big question we're tackling today. Are they a true nutritional powerhouse, or is it all just some really clever marketing? We're going to separate the hype from the actual science.
But first, let's take a quick step back in time. You see, chia seeds are not some new trend, not even close. They were a huge part of the diet for ancient Aztec and Mayan civilizations. They prized them for their energy and nutrition. And, as we're about to see, modern science is finally starting to catch up and show us why.
So, to really understand the benefits, we first have to look at what's packed inside these tiny things. And honestly, this is where it gets really, really impressive.
Okay, so check this out. This one number is kind of wild. By weight, chia seeds are a whopping 35% fiber. Just to put that into perspective for you, that's more than double the fiber you'd find in oats. For something so tiny, that is an incredible amount, and it's a huge clue as to why they might be so good for us.
Let's break it down even more. In just 2 tablespoons, that's it. You're getting almost 10 grams of fiber, nearly 5 grams of protein, and 5 whole grams of ALA, which is a really important plant-based omega-3. And then look at the minerals. 14% of your daily calcium, 23% of your magnesium, and 20% of your phosphorus. It's just a ton of nutrition in a very small package.
And this chart just gives you a great visual of that whole profile. You can see it's this really nice balanced mix of fiber, protein, those healthy omega-3 fats, and all those crucial minerals we just mentioned. This is the foundation for all the health claims we're about to get into. So we've seen what's inside them. Now for the fun part. Let's explore what this powerful nutritional profile actually does for our bodies. All right, first up, the one that gets a ton of attention. A lot of people believe that eating chia seeds can help with weight management. So, is there any truth to that? Well, the logic behind it is actually pretty solid. We already know that both fiber and protein are key players in helping us feel full and satisfied. So the theory is, all that fiber and protein in chia seeds helps reduce your appetite. In fact, one small study, just 24 people, found that eating chia seeds with yogurt for breakfast did increase feelings of fullness and led to them eating less food later. But here's the reality check. When you look at all the research out there, the results are pretty mixed. While that fiber can definitely help you feel full, that feeling doesn't always translate to eating fewer calories over the whole day. So it seems like chia seeds can be a really helpful part of a healthy diet, but they aren't a magic bullet for weight loss all on their own. Next up is another huge potential benefit, your heart health. And this is where those omega-3s and all that fiber we talked about really get to shine. So a couple of things are going on here. First, the specific type of fiber in chia seeds, soluble fiber, can help lower your LDL, the bad cholesterol. Second, that ALA omega-3 fatty acid has been linked in lots of other studies to a lower risk of heart disease. And on top of all that, a few human studies found that chia seed supplements actually helped reduce blood pressure in people who already had hypertension. But again, you're probably sensing a theme here. The scientific community is still cautious. The evidence looks really promising, for sure, and all the right components are there. But we just need more direct research on chia seeds and heart health in people before we can say anything for certain. The potential is definitely there, but it's not a done deal yet. And the third major benefit we're digging into is bone health. Now, this one might actually surprise a lot of people, but it makes perfect sense when you think back to that nutrition slide. I mean, chia seeds are just loaded with nutrients that are critical for your bones. We're talking calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all of which are absolutely essential for maintaining good bone mineral density. And some studies have even suggested that ALA, that same omega-3 fatty acid, might also play a role in stronger bones. Okay, so we've seen the science, we've looked at the potential benefits. Now, let's get practical. How can you actually start using these nutrient-dense little seeds in your day-to-day life? And honestly, this might be the best part. It's so easy. They have a really bland taste, which is actually a huge plus because it means you can add them to almost anything without changing the flavor. You can sprinkle them on yogurt, throw them in a smoothie, use them to thicken a sauce. You can even use them as an egg substitute when you're baking. It's super versatile. And if you want the perfect place to start, try making a simple chia pudding. It could not be easier. Just mix 2 tablespoons of the seeds with about a half cup of milk, add a little maple syrup or honey if you want, give it a good stir, and then just let it hang out in the fridge for a few hours or even overnight.
Then you top it with some fresh fruit and nuts, and you've got this delicious, super nutritious breakfast or snack ready to go. All right, so after looking at the history, the nutrition, and the science, what's the final verdict? Where do we land on chia seeds?
Well, the bottom line is this. Chia seeds are, without a doubt, incredibly nutritious. They're packed with fiber, protein, healthy fats, and minerals. Now, are they a miracle cure that's going to magically make you lose weight or prevent heart disease all by themselves? No, but they are a powerful, science-backed, and super easy addition to an overall healthy diet.
And that really leaves us with one last thought. It doesn't have to be chia seeds, but their story really makes you think. What's one small, simple, nutrient-dense food you could easily add to your meals this week, just to give your diet a little boost? Something to think about. Thanks for tuning in.